City. So I'm in Luxembourg. I'm in a really small town at the very east end. I didn't realize how small this country was, but you can drive through it in 2 hours or less. There's buses that go to every single town, doesn't matter how small, and it's super cheap. I'm staying in Ettelbruck, which is 30 minutes north of Luxembourg City. There's a trail called the Mullerthal Trail, and there's 3 sections of it. I'm in section 1, and I was on my way to walking in section 2. So on the way there's supposed to be these big rock faces, and I was gonna walk my way over to some caves, but the path was blocked off by big rocks, so I think they closed it off for the season, which means instead of hiking I have to go back into town and take a bus to Berdorf. If it's not blocked off, then I hope I get to see some waterfalls, which is in the 3rd section. But isn't this, look how pretty. I'm really surprised by how much I love Luxembourg. I just came here because they speak French and I wanted to learn more about Francophone countries for my students. I'm coming here to talk to people and like look at the subtle differences between cultures and the language and things like that. Usually I like do some research before going some places, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna see what there is. It's a really small country, but there's so much to do. The environment is like so fucking beautiful. Aside from Luxembourg City, if you go out, it's just endless green spaces.
Keep your secrets from me, boy. Run it. Keep a little lie.
So far, Luxembourg is pretty cool. The houses are really different. The best I can describe them as are giant candy Legos. That's what they look like. They're like really square, and then they come in all different colors. And their roofs are pretty cool too. My new favorite hobby is looking at the different roofs in Francophone cities and trying to figure out what about the environment made them create the roof that way. Weird, but now I love to look at roofs. Also, it's amazing that it's really normal for people to speak 6 languages here. French, Portuguese, Spanish, English, German, and then Luxembourgish. I thought 3 languages was like legit, but I think if I were to describe this country in a phrase, it would be, they mind their own business. They really do. I feel like French people are really fucking nosy for no reason.